Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Good afternoon, Miss Sister Lina.
Good afternoon, Rama. Please sit down.
Thank you. Long time no see. How is everything?
So far, so good. That is great. How about you?
I'm fine in pandemic COVID-19.
What is your planning tonight?
I'm still thinking it over. What's the matter?
I would like to invite you to have dinner in Abu Steak and McDonald's Burger around 7.
Sounds great. Can you pick me up?
Okay, never mind. I will ride my motorcycle to your home.
Okay, see you tonight.
Goodbye. Bye.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam SMK bisa dan hebat. Welcome to the Link English. Good morning. How are you today? Nice to see you all, vocational high school student. Can you imagine if you would like to celebrate an event or party like birthday party or wedding party, what will you do then? Bagaimana sahabat SMK? Sudah dapat solusinya? Di awal perjumpaan, coba saya perkenalkan suatu kondisi dialog. Dan itulah jawaban dari pertanyaan saya sebelumnya. We call this invitation. Talking about invitation, we can see in the two styles. The first is spoken and the second is written. In spoken, like in dialogue, in written, like making an invitation card. Today, our topic is about how to make invitation text according to English grammatical. Before we discuss so far about invitation, we take a look the purpose our learning. Learning kompetensi, cognitive aspect, menganalisis fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan beberapa teks khusus dalam bentuk undangan resmi dengan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait kegiatan sekolah atau tempat kerja sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. Dari informasi tersebut, ada beberapa hal. The first, social function. Talking about definition and the function of learning. Second, structure of the text, talking about the element of language, like expression or spoken and written element. The third, language feature, talking about the theoretical in making, writing, and applying the invitation. For example, in invitation, we often use would like. It is the model that we can use in expressing the invitation. After we know and understand the cognitive aspect, we have to look the skill aspect, atau bisa kita sebut aspek keterampilan. Karena bahasa Inggris tidak bisa lepas dari yang namanya keterampilan atau skill. Learning kompetensi skill aspect, menyusun teks khusus dalam bentuk undangan resmi, lisan dan tulis terkait kegiatan sekolah atau tempat kerja dengan memperhatikan fungsi dan unsur struktur teks dan unsur kebahasaan secara benar dan sesuai konteks. From the cognitive and skill aspect, we can conclude that learning of invitation consisting of 3 points. The first, social function, structure of the text, and the third, language feature. Why? They are very close to the approach in learning invitation, whether written or spoken. Then, we talk about the definition and information about invitation letter. Invitation letter is the verse. Official invitation letter are written for inviting official and certain distinguished people. The second, invitation letter follow a formal format. The third, the invitation are related to meeting, interview, training, conferences, etc. How about the personal letter? Is it formal or informal? What do you think? Personal invitation letters are written for inviting friends, peers, relatives, family members, or neighbors to social events such as wedding, birthday party, anniversary, baby shower, or other activities. The format is mixture of informal and formal. The second, we have to look the situation in formal situation or informal situation. Here, I try to describe all of you example of invitation letter. Don't forget, it is formal written invitation. In invitation, we can respond the accept or the refuse. In English, written form, we can accept an invitation. The question is, how do we do it? When writing a letter accepting an invitation to an event, the letter should be brief. It means the body of the letter should ask the following. The first, inform an appreciation that was felt upon receiving the request. The second, provide a brief session outlining the confirmation of the detail of the event, including the date and the time. The last or the third, inform the invitee that the person will be attending. When we would like to invite someone, both written and spoken form, we can take as the following. The first, you are cordially invited to. The second, we would like to invite you. The third or the last, I was wondering if you would like to. Declining invitation. It is very common if we decline or refuse the invitation. Why? Because we can accept or decline the invitation. When writing a letter declining an invitation to an event, follow this guideline. 3 points of the guidelines. The first, express appreciation for the invitation. The second, express regret that you must decline. Your regret sound more sincere if you can give a specific explanation of what prevent your acceptance. The third, wish success for the event. Here, I would like to give the example of expression in refusing or declining the invitation. A. Express appreciation for the invitation. I was honored to be invited to the opening ceremony for the Legends Art exhibition. B. Express regret that you must decline. I regret I will be out of the city on September 6. We apologize for being unable to attend your event. C. With success for the event. My best regard for the dinner and discussion. I do hope the meeting turn out to be profitable for all concerned. After this, we will take a look some expression in invitation. Inviting someone you don't know very well. The first, I was wondering if you would like to. Would you be interested to? We will be delighted to. Inviting friends. Do you want to? How do you fancy? care to, would you like to? In learning Curriculum 2013, the student must know and understand, besides social function and structure of the text, language feature is very important. In invitation, the following are the example of formula or pattern in expressing an invitation. Formal phrase formula. Would you like to plus verb without infinitive? I'd like to ask you to plus verb without infinitive. It would be my pleasure if you would plus verb. May I have the honor of your plus noun? Formula without example, it will become all of you confused. That is why I will show you the example in expressing the invitation. Examples. Would you like to join us for lunch? I'd like to ask you to attend the opening ceremony next week. The last, may we have the honor of your presence at dinner on Friday. Language happen not only in formal but also in informal style. The last of my explanation about invitation, I will show off all informal invitation and the example. We know that it's not always we practice in informal situation. They are the following. Before I close the learning today, I will give you, all of you, the exercises, wishing you will be better in understanding the learning. There are 10 sentences you have to match the invitation and the responses. Don't forget to send the answer in email. Younger is a time when someone must drill the quality like skill and talent. Don't waste your time, nothing at all. Never give up to try, and try. Never be shy. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for joining Link English. SMK bisa hebat. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.